Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am bringing the last and final Stampin' Stack out of the Christmas Stampin' Stack class series that I have for 2021. If you're new to this series, every month I had released a card class to make 12 cards. So you have 4 different designs and you make 3 of each, and so you make 12 cards per class, and when you finish or when you complete all 5 classes, you end up having 60 cards ready to go before the holidays hit. I think that that's the best way you get into the holiday spirit without any of the stress. I love designing it for you. All the cards are simple by design. I mean, there is some die cutting and whatnot, but they're simple, they're beautiful, and it's just a way for you to enjoy some crafting time as you're getting ready for the holidays. So this one is my last one, and if you have not seen the other ones, make sure you go into the description of this video, and I'm going to be putting the link to where you get the previous ones. Now, this one is featuring, as you can see, the Whimsical Trees, and I just love everything about it. The paper is fantastic, and you know I'm not really a pink person. However, having that iridescent foil, it just make it so much better. I mean, it's just beautiful. The catalog and even this video is not making any justice to that paper. Believe me, you're gonna love it. So anyway, so let's just talk a little bit about the options that I have for you to get this class. So the first option is the one for those of you who want to get the make and take kit to make all 12 cards. I'll send you all the cardstock for you to make the 12 projects. You also get a full spool of the frayed, is that right? The frayed gross grain ribbon, which is this one in the Blushing Bride, and believe me, you're gonna love playing with this. And you're also gonna be getting a full pack of the wonderful snowflakes, which are the ones that we're using in our card class. And then you're also going to be getting a half of a pack of the beautiful Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series paper. And like I said, this paper is just gorgeous. Everything about this is just fantastic. I know you're going to love it. Believe me. Now, so that option is $47 plus $8. Sorry, no, it's $49 plus $8 shipping. So I ship priority mail. So there's always a tracking and insurance, and it typically, and I want to say typically, although I cannot guarantee, it arrives between 2 to 3 days from when I ship it. So, but again, of course, I cannot guarantee. I mean, it's just the U.S. Postal Service, so it is what it is. But it's not that bad when I send it on those flat rates. Anyway, so that being said, that's option 1. Now, one thing I need to make sure you know is that to complete all your projects, you need to have a Whimsical Trees bundle, which is this one. And believe me, you're going to love it. There are several standalone dies that we're going to be using, as you can see here. And then also, look at how beautiful the stamp set it is. I mean, you have those modern looking trees that it's going to make so much nice in your cards. And also, the sentiments are really nice. So anyways, you need to have this bundle to be able to complete your class. So if you want me to add the bundle, you can add it into your packet. You can add it in the registration form. So make sure that on your registration form, you mark that you want to have a Whimsical Trees bundle. Pay for it, and then I'll include this one in your packet. Now, that said, the registration form, I cannot really link it to the description of this video. But you can always email me requesting for that one. You can email me at ali@creatingwithali.com so that you get the registration form. And then, or the other thing you can do is you can go into the description of this video where it says bit.ly stay in touch with Ali, and you can get so to get into my registration, to get into my mailing list, that way you get all my registrations links, and so that way as soon as I release a class, you get it. If you like the class, you can register. If you don't like that class, you can just delete that email and move on. You'll get the next one. So I feel like the best way to get the registration links is through my email list. So make sure you go into that, and again, it's in the description of this video. Just look where it says bit.ly/stay in touch with Ali. All right, so that's that. Now, the second option is for those of you who might be outside of the United States but still want to get the class, or you might be a demonstrator and already have all the goodies, or even not a demonstrator, but you already have all the goodies. You already have the paper, the snowflakes, the ribbon, the cardstock. You just want the instructions to go along and make your projects. If that is you, option 2 is perfect for you. Now, option 2 is $15, and it's a tutorial only, and you can get it already on my shop. So go to creatingwithali.com www.stampindup.com/shop, and I'm going to be also linking it here in the corner of this video so that you can go click it and check it out. As soon as you purchase that class, you get an email and a link to download the class to go to be ready to go. So hopefully you are checking it out, and hopefully I'll see you inside of this class. I definitely very excited with this. I feel like this one is one of my favorites. I just love everything about it, and the paper is just gorgeous. I know you're gonna love making this card class. And also, if you want to check out the previous card classes, make sure you look into the description of this video. I'll be linking also the previous ones so that you can check them out, because at this point only the tutorial option is available for those. So anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.